So I got to cut this through hole fitting down because it's too long. I already took it, screwed it underneath, measured it, figured out how much I had to cut off. And then what I did, because if I'm going to cut this with a hacksaw or I'm going to use a cut-off wheel on a grinder, whatever I use is going to kind of bugger up the threads a little bit. If you put the nut that came with it on first, then after you cut it off, as you're unthreading that nut, it's going to help clean the threads out so that you can thread stuff back on it again, which is always a handy thing to have happen, right? So I threaded this nut down to the depth that I needed to have the through hole taken off, and then I've kind of taped it in place so that it stays there. And what I can use, which is really nice, is I can use the large flange of this nut here, especially because I'm not going to use this anymore. It's actually threading into a seacock, so I don't need the nut. I'm going to use it as a flat surface to help my grinding wheel go to get a nice straight cut. As a secondary thing, I'm going to take my tape and I'm just going to come about 1/8 of an inch or so down from the top of that nut, like that. And I'm going to run it around like this, and this will give me another visual line just in case my nut moves a little bit. It gives me another reference line of where I'm going to cut. So if you have a bench vise, it's nice to hold it. Otherwise you got to have your wife hold it for you. She might not like that because it is going to fling brass or bronze everywhere. I got one battery dot. Better change the battery out. Hang on. I have 4 batteries. 2 of them with 1 dot, 2 of them with 2 dots out of 4. I should do a better job of managing my batteries. Huh? So it's not too bad of a cut, and then I can unthread this, and as I unthread that, that's going to clean up any burrs that I created on the threads, just like that. Pull the tape off, and we're good. A little filing to clean it up and we'll be good. One more to go. Beautiful. If anybody has any idea what to do with a couple bronze nipples, let me know. And please, no dirty jokes in the comments. If you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to like our video. Feel free to subscribe. And feel free also, if you'd like to become a patron. We'd love it if you were a patron of ours. Until then, that's today's Tech Tip Tuesday with Todd. We'll see you later.